Hi everyone, I am Bikram Sharma from dudescreative.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create schema markup for your website. If you find this tutorial helpful, follow us for more tips on SEO and web design. Let's get started. Type with me schema markup generator. By Dudes Creative. Search. We have already implemented schema markup on our website. That is why we can see the ratings value, price value and all. On this page we have given all the steps how to generate schema markup for your website. If it is local business, select local. For demo purpose, as of now we'll select product and we'll fill the form. Your product, image URL. Image URL, it is not necessary that URLs must be image URL. We can insert our website URL to description. For demo purpose will a short description. Rating value 5, rating count. One thing to remember that we should not put any random values or 5-star only. Whatever values, rating values we have got from our clients in different platforms, maybe in Trustpilot, JsOn-lD or whatever, we have to put the real world rating value. If we put randomly anything, then first Google will index our page, then later on it will de-index. So this thing to be remember while doing a proper SEO. And this is the review format: author, colon and review, then comma and another review. Okay. Author, colon, review, comma, then another review. We'll give it a try. We'll generate a schema, we'll copy it and we'll show. Mohan colon, very good SEO agency, space, then another review, Rohan, colon, great web design. Now we'll click to generate schema. It will generate the schema structure data code. After that we'll click to copy. We'll go to schema markup validator. Ensure that there is nothing wrong in the code, okay? Before closing the head tag, we'll paste it and save it. If you are using WordPress website, WordPress CMS, then you can use header, footer, custom code. There are so many plugins. Through those plugins you can insert on your WordPress pages and post. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, do not forget to follow Dudes Creative for more great content. Also make sure to subscribe our channel and give this video a like for the latest updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.